Hi everyone, welcome back to JDCodebase. So in the last video we understand what a linked list is and why we need it. But now in this video we will actually see how to create a linked list in JavaScript and how to access its element from it. And this is going to be very simple and step by step. So let's quickly recap. In a linked list, each element is called a node and every node has two things. First, the data or the value, and the next second a pointer which connects to the next node. In JavaScript we can create this node using a class. So let me show you. I will move to VS Code. So here I will create a class node, and inside the constructor I will take one input which is data. So constructor, and I will take data as input. Now along with data I will keep next as null, because when a node is newly created it does not point to anything yet. So this dot data is equal to data, and this dot next is equal to null. So initially points to nothing here as a null. So that's it. This is a one node here. So now one node alone is not enough. We need a way to manage multiple nodes like the whole chain. For that we will create another class called linked list. And for this class we will just keep track of the starting point of the list, which we call the head. So let's write it. Constructor, and this dot head is equal to null. This is it is a start of the list. So head is null, meaning our list is empty here. So next step is let actually add some nodes into this list. I will create a linked list object, then I will assign head to a new node with the value 10. So let list is equal to new linked list, and now list dot head is equal to new node, which is 10. So here I just create a new linked list object and create a node of this new node here, and next is list dot head dot next is equal to new node 20. List dot head dot next is equal to new node 30. So basically we are 10 points to the 20 points to 30, and 30 points to null, which means end of the list. If I console this list and run this, see I get a linked list with a head node 10, next is a node 20, next is again other node. So now we have created a list. Now how do we read the element? Because reading this element there is no sense. We cannot get the exact data. To access the element we have to start from the head and keep moving to the next node until we reach the null. This is called traversal. So let current is equal to list dot head, and we run while current is not equal to null, and console.log current dot data, because current have the data and the next node. Now we have to update this current by current dot next. So here I started with the head, and then in every step I printed the data, and that after that I move to the next node using this current dot next. So this continue until the current becomes null. So if I run this, now I get the exact data 10, 20 and 30, which I want to show in our data. Means numerical value. But so reading a linked list is not a difficult task. So let's summarize this. Linked list class, we read this, creating nodes, accessing the elements. So linked list is built using the nodes connected with the links. To access element, we always start from the head and go one by one. And unlike array, we cannot directly jump to any index, and that is the basic of creating and accessing a linked list in JavaScript. In the next video, we will go little deeper and learn how to perform different operation in a linked list, like inserting, deleting, and searching. If you like this video, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to JDCodebase. See you in the next one.